Throughout history, there have been several important inventions that were discovered by coincidence. Here are some notable examples. Penicillin. In 1928, Alexander Fleming, a Scottish bacteriologist, accidentally discovered the antibiotic properties of penicillin. He left a petri dish containing Staphylococcus bacteria uncovered while he was on vacation. Upon his return, he noticed that mold had grown on the dish, and it had killed the bacteria around it. This accidental observation led to the development of the first antibiotic, revolutionizing medicine. X-rays. In 1895, German physicist Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen was experimenting with cathode rays when he noticed a fluorescent screen in his lab was glowing even though it was covered. He realized that a new type of penetrating ray was being emitted, which he named X-rays. This serendipitous discovery opened up a whole new field of medical imaging. Microwave ovens. In 1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer working for Raytheon Corporation, was testing a magnetron, a vacuum tube that generates microwaves, when he noticed that a chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. He realized that the microwaves emitted by the magnetron were responsible. This accidental observation led to the development of microwave ovens, which are now commonly used for heating and cooking food. Post-it notes. In 1968, Spencer Silver, a chemist at 3M, was attempting to create a strong adhesive but ended up creating a weak one instead. Years later, another 3M employee named Art Fry was looking for a way to hold his bookmark in place, and he remembered Silver's adhesive. He used it to create sticky notes that could be easily removed without leaving residue, leading to the invention of post-it notes. Vulcanized rubber. In the early 19th century, Charles Goodyear, an American inventor, accidentally dropped a mixture of rubber and sulfur onto a hot stove. He observed that the resulting material was more durable and less sticky than regular rubber. This accidental discovery of the vulcanization process revolutionized the rubber industry and made it possible to use rubber in various applications. These examples demonstrate how chance observations and accidents can lead to significant inventions and scientific breakthroughs. They highlight the importance of curiosity and open-mindedness in scientific exploration and problem solving.